Okay, this is how how to uh, set demo mode. Demo mode it's mean a store display at the shop store mode. So the store mode refrigerator LG side by side. We can try to do like a video. That's mean demo mode so off OFF will be show and then compressor not working, fan not working, only line working, so not cooling mode, last memo mode. Okay, now start the first uh, lock. Yes, lock the button, hold and lock. Okay, after that open the door, the right door open. After that press freezer and breathe hold together and press 3 times at the express freezer. Okay, so off. That's already demo. Okay, continue how to release off mode. First, hold lock the door. Okay, after that, open the door right there, and then press freezer and breathe. Same method set. Yes, lock and unlock same the same method, star mode or demo mode, yeah, the same. Okay.